Hi guys, so basically I get a new squishy almost every day and I have a whole bag full, so we kind of need to wash them and give them a bath. This is the tote bag of them. It's heavy. Like, I've genuinely never thought a bag of squishies could be this heavy. The only ones that we're not going to be cleaning are the foam ones, and every other one is getting cleaned today because they need a bath. Should we do the sink or the bathtub? I choose bathtub. Just because there's like more room and everything in there, you know? So where do I set you? Let's just get the water running. So you guys might say I don't have a lot, which that's okay, because like that's your opinion. I don't really have that many. I have a little bit, and my best friend gave me one yesterday. So yeah, here we go. Over this way. We have to let the bathroom fill up. You know, anything like that. So let's just splash them around a little bit. One of my good dumplings. Oh my god, you guys, my red dumplings come out. Hello? This is like the color of the dumpling skin. We're gonna keep the skin so I can nail glue it, but everything else just got dumped out, so yeah. This one's twins' guts are just flowing through the water right now. So I hope he doesn't like feel upset or anything. And then their mom is in here. I want to grab her. Here's the big girl. Then my heavier squishies flow to the bottom.